Ladies and gentlemen, the time has almost come and you are about to get your hands on Battle Token. But the first thing you have to do is buy through the pre-sale, and I'm going to show you how. All right, welcome to battletoken.com, and this is where it all gets started. But if you guys really want to help me out, you can actually go to the links down in the description and you can go through my affiliate link, and that will actually help me out. And that'll just be a nice little thank you for creating this content for you. But if you want, you can also go through the website here, go to buy now, and that's going to take you to the next page. All right, so once you decide which link you're going to go to, it's going to bring you here to the pinksale.finance. And Carrie, if you're listening, you got to get this guy off of here. It's time to put the face of your content on the page. All right, next up, you're going to go over to where it says connect wallet. It is now going to bring up connect to wallet. Now you have options here. MetaMask is the video that I showed you guys how to set up. And so that's the route we're going to take today for this video. All right, that's going to bring up where you're going to put in your password. Go ahead and put your password in at this point and select unlock. And just like that, easy peasy, you are now connected. You'll see up in the top right, you'll see your wallet. You also want to make sure that you're on the BSC mainnet. Once you've actually funded your wallet, you're going to be able to go over here when this timer actually goes and counts down to 0. So you want to be Johnny on the spot with this. As soon as this thing hits 0, make sure you're setting an alarm or whatever it is you got to do. You want to jump on here so you don't miss the pre-sale, because they're only going to sell 150 BNB worth of these tokens. All right, so you got to get in. You got to get in quick, and you can only buy up to 5. So just understand that. You can see right here by my head, you're going to buy with the BNB, and that's it. So funding your wallet, now that's another story itself. You got a couple options here. You can fund it through another exchange. So something like Coinbase or Binance, you're going to be able to fund your wallet that way. Or you can go directly into MetaMask itself, and you can use a credit card to fund your wallet that way as well. All right, so super quickly, if you guys want to fund your wallet, you're going to go to MetaMask, which is going to be the little icon up there. You'll see the MetaMask logo. You'll click that. You'll open up screen. The first screen will say, hey, got it. You're on the BNB chain, because I've already showed you how to set that up. And then you're going to come in here to your wallet. Now, this will give you the option to buy. All right, so once you've selected buy, now you're going to have to choose the Binance coin. That's what you're going to want to use to actually purchase Battle Token. And this is what's going to pop up. Couple different options here. PayPal is only going to be Ethereum, so that's not actually an option here for BNB. And then debit or credit card is one way to fund it. You can see that you could actually link your bank account if you wanted to do that. You could do a wire transfer or Cash App. I'm not as familiar with Cash App. I haven't actually used that. The other thing you could do is actually use Coinbase or Binance or one of those exchanges that you've actually purchased BNB on, and then send it to your wallet that way. All right, so I went ahead and selected the credit card option. And what it's going to show you right here is actually going to be your transfer rate. So you'll see that if you were to buy $250 worth of Binance coin, they're actually going to charge you a little fee. But the big thing here is you want to have what? 1 BNB or whatever you plan on buying Battle Token with. And as you can see, it continuously updates. It gives you new quotes. And then once you're ready, you're going to connect, and then you're going to actually fund your wallet. All right, so once your wallet is funded, all you do is come back over here to this website once the pre-sale starts. And like I said, you got to be Johnny on the spot for that, and go ahead and buy your Battle Token. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was the down and dirty, the quick way to fund your wallet. And like I said, you don't want to miss the pre-sale, because you want to get your hands on Battle Token early. Now, if you guys enjoyed today's content, go ahead, give me a like and subscribe. That would truly help my channel. And don't forget to check out Battle Token on Twitter and Telegram and Discord. They got all kinds of different ways for you to be part of the community. With that being said, let's get ready to battle.